Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're looking at the gorgeous one-bedroom model at the Jefferson Parkhouse. We're about to walk in. This is a quick walkthrough. We're going to do it in just a little over a minute. So let's take a peek at it. Let's look at this, and gosh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love this island. It's very nice, and I love this lighting. It's this really elegant kind of gold look. Gold is kind of coming back in. It's really pretty. Love the cabinets here. It's kind of a really pretty kind of mid color wood. Feels just really at home because of the wood. Just a beautiful feel. I love the backsplash there. All the appliances are really pretty, and then it's got a really pretty flooring in here too. This flooring is just gorgeous. Kind of a lighter wood. Really pretty. This is a nice living room that's here too. The living room is adorable. Great space in here, and there is a balcony. I'll pop out real quick so you can see it. Balcony's gorgeous. That's what it looks like. In this case, it overlooks the pool, so super pretty. We're gonna keep going because we've just got a little more time left. Here is the bathroom. The bathroom's here, and the bedroom. The bedroom is just gorgeous. It feels much right at home. It just feels adorable, like you just not want to leave. And then again, here is the bathroom itself. So the bathroom is here. It's really pretty. Beautiful mirror, lighted mirror. And here is that shower. The shower is just gorgeous. And here is the closet. The closet that's here. So this is a gorgeous apartment. I really recommend to do a walkthrough actually on a virtual call. So what I would do is say, hey, Grant, send me a quick text and say, I'd love to do a live virtual tour of this apartment. What I'll do is it'll be free. It's part of our free service. And I'll set that up for you so that you can see for yourself, someone guiding it just for you live, the apartments that you want to see here at the Jefferson Parkhouse. By the way, we can set those same virtual tours up for multiple apartments. So I look forward to hearing from you. Send me that text and just say hi, and we'll go from there.